welcome to this week's fingerstyle video. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A, and let's get started. In order to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, I'm going to put my ring finger on the 3rd fret of string E. And then I'm going to pick on string A first. Mary. Those are my first 2 notes. Mary. Watch again. Mary. Then I'm going to put my index finger down. Hand. So you have Mary hand. Do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary hand. So now we need to go back up. So it's Mary had a little lamb. So see if you can do that with me. You can watch the first time or you can play along. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb. Okay, now you can do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb. Okay, so for the next part, watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. Little lamb, little lamb. So we have 3rd fret, string E, 3 times. Little lamb. Then move to the A string and open. Little lamb. Okay, now you can do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Little lamb, little lamb. Okay, so watch me put together those 2 parts and then we will play together. But if you're ready to play, please play along. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. The next part sounds a lot like the beginning. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. So that whole beginning phrase is pretty much the same. So watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. We're on the 2nd phrase. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece. Do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece. And the rest of that phrase is was white as snow. 3 open, 3, 1. 3 open, 3, 1. Make sure you open you do on A string, but everything else is on E string. 3 open, 3, 1. So let's do that 2nd phrase, the final phrase. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Again, 1, 2, same thing, go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Okay, if you're ready, let's take it from the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, beginning. Ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. If you would like to learn the chords to this song, or if you have like a friend and you want to have a duet together, one of you can play the melody we learned today, one of you can play the chords, check out this card here so that you can learn the chords. If you would like to see more fingerstyle videos like this one, let me know by giving this video a like, subscribing to this channel, and leaving me a comment down below. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!